What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about some exhaust options for the E36.
Hi.
Welcome.
It's good to be back.
Yes. Wait, you haven't been on the videos yet?
No, I haven't. I've been around.
You've been on other videos though, so they kind of know you.
Some might.
Yeah. This is Zach. He do weldy things.
Yes.
What we're gonna do today is we're gonna take the exhaust off this turd and put it on that turd because that turd is too quiet and this one is too loud. This car has whatever exhaust is on there, so we're gonna take that off, which means we're gonna have to take the diffuser off again, and then we're gonna add a resonator to that exhaust and go from there. Alright, so first thing we gotta do is I obviously put the cars on the lift. This one we're gonna put in a alignment rack. Hear it, but it is pretty quiet for an exhaust on an E36, I think. Some people might think it's not, but I think it's too quiet. Ooh, blue smoke. Give it a rev. Alright, so we got a little bit of white smoke or blue smoke, whatever you want to call it. The car had it ever since I got it, so I think we might have to address that later on. It doesn't overheat though, so I know it's nothing crazy yet.
Yet?
Yeah, but it's definitely there. But it's okay. We have a donor, if anything. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some adjustments on the diffuser because it looks stupid. Okay, so our fitment issue is like right here because it's hitting this big canister muffler, whatever, and it's also hitting right here, and it makes rattling noises. And this came loose too, so I think we're just gonna take this off and take this off and take the exhaust down from there instead of taking off the whole thing. So that's too much work, and this is what's making it quiet. So we're going to delete because that's too big. Oh yeah, also I have a radiator leak too. I found that out last time when we were working on the car. So we got a little bit of a hole there, and I think we'll tackle that when we do the subframe reinforcement and the rear end work, whatever it's called. And then we also have a transmission leak. Looks like it's coming from the shifter selector rod and then the output shaft seal, so I'll address that as well. It also has the stupid CDV that needs to be deleted.
Oh god, I forgot I don't fit in this car. I'm too short.
No, that's like way too raspy. So
This car has OBX headers with the OBX exhaust. That's actually pretty good exhaust.
That's steel.
Yeah. Was it like $400 or something?
Yeah, and then after I bought it, it immediately went up to $800.
Yeah. So it went from one car to this car, and that's gonna go to another car. And I don't think this thing is doing anything.
alright, so this turd is down. It was held on by one hanger instead of two. Now we're gonna make a single 3-inch exhaust. instead of a dual.
Alright, so this is the exhaust off of the white turd. And it looks like we had an exhaust leak here. Probably.
And over there.
Well, take this off.
So we can see inside of here.
What can you see? Looks like a resonator.
Taco Bell.
Oh, okay. I don't think it's a good resonator though.
I think it was probably the exhaust leaks it had.
That wouldn't create a rasp like that.
Yeah, it would.
So are we just gonna send it?
Had one here and had one there. We could put the smaller one in there.
Might as well just put it right behind this one.
We could either put it here or...
Too big. Nope. Yes.
Put it right there.
Yes. Resonator after resonator. Why not?
Let's do it.
Alright. Wait, I gotta find a gasket for this. I saw it somewhere, I just don't know where. Okay. So, we're gonna try to fit this thing in there and see how off it is or not. Oh, I'm definitely not a lefty. No, the other way.
Yes.
So, pretty much the whole entire middle section has to get cut out. Alright, so after 3 years of looking, we finally found it. There she is. Thing, this edge,
We're
right?
cutting this side.
So, hold on. There you go.
And then cut this side, and this side, that side.
Alright. Okay.
Hello.
Thumbnail.
Yes, we need to go forward some more.
Oh yeah, it was this one.
Oh. Okay, we chopped on the wrong side. Okay. Easy.
The hole gets smaller or something? I have your solution.
Ah, yes. Beat that bitch.
We're just bending the clamp there. Start it. Oh.
It's good.
Is it though? This is how you make your E36 even faster than what it was. Delete that shit. Stop laughing. With your Teletubby looking ass. So yeah, no resonator. Don't worry about that gasket. It is solid mounted. You know,
Race car.
race car things. But it don't move. See, we saved weight.
Weight reduction.
30 pounds right here.
You ready?
Yeah, you're good.
What you think?
It got faster too.
Sounds better than the white one.
Alright, you gotta get in now.
Wow, you're fat.
I am fat.
Dude, this is deep. This sounds good.
It does. It sounds way better than the white car.
Yeah, the white car has the trash headers. It sounds manly. I like it. I just need that verbal.
It's also supercharged.
Yeah. Alright. The exhaust is done. Yes. I approve. Okay, that's it. Are you done?
Yeah, we're good now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, cool. So I think that is it for today.
Yeah.
So
Like,
sure.
comment, subscribe.
bye.